Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a very elegant bead crochet earring. And the bead I'm using is Toho's 11 size bead, and the thread I'm using is DMC's metallic thread. And you can use the same pattern but with different beads. And here I'm using the 3 milliliters of icons, and this is with a different color of the metallic thread. For demonstration, I'm using the same size Toho's navy color 11 side bead. And first I'm going to show you how to make this part, and then you just need simple to use glue to attach the pearl and earring stand together. And the hook I'm using is size 0.6 hook. As a base, you will need a size 0.6 in diameter ring. So I've already put a bead onto the thread, and you can use a big eye needle to help put a bead onto the thread. And for this project, we're going to make 7 rounds of crochet, and you will need about 181 beads. So first we just help to make the knots on the base ring and make sure it's really fastened secure onto this ring. And put some glue to make sure it won't loosen. So for the first run, we're going to do 15 crochet with 22 beads. So we just count 22 beads and use a marker as a stopper. Okay, got 22 beads already. And you can use a paper marker to separate the beads with the rest. So put the thread with the last finger and under your middle finger, and then over the index finger, just like this. Okay, then we do a first single crochet without the bead, and this won't count within the 15 crochet. Okay, then we just base on pattern of 1 2 1 2 1 2 and do a bead single crochet. Okay, so we put 1 bead towards the ring and do a single crochet. Okay, and then we move 2 beads together and do a single crochet. And 1 bead and 2 beads. And you just keep this pattern of 1 2 1 2 until we got finished this round. Okay, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 beads. So we got closer. So we got closer and see again, like 1 bead, 1 crochet, and 2 beads, 1 single crochet. Okay, I'll meet you at the end of this round. Okay, this is the last 3 beads, so we're in the pattern of 2 beads. 1 crochet, and the last one is always going to be a single bead. Okay, now we finished the first round. Then you go back to the base ring and attach back to it. Now we finished the first round. We are doing 17 crochet with 25 beads. So we can start counting another 25. And put a stop marker. And keep the same pattern of 1, 2, 1, 2. So we start with the first bead and do a single crochet. And 2 beads. And when you're doing 2 beads, you can tighten a bit so it would curve like this and make a natural wave. And 1 and 2. Okay, so we just keep this pattern and I'll meet you at the end of this round. Okay, here we add the 3 beads. So 2 beads and single crochet and 1 bead. Okay, remember you always end with 1 bead and rehook into the base ring. Okay, now we finish round 2. For the third round, we are doing 19 crochet with 28 beads. So again, we count 28 beads. Okay. And we put a marker as a stopper. So here again, we're doing the same pattern of 1, 2, 1, 2. One bead and a single crochet and 2 bead. Tighten a bit, and again 1 and 2. Okay, I'll speed up and meet you at the end of this round. Okay, so here we at the end of the last 3 beads. So 2 beads together and 1 single crochet, and you end with a single bead as always. Okay, so now we finished the third round, and Again, back to the base ring. And here we go. Okay, now we add the fourth round, so it's of the middle string, and we are going to do 21 crochet with 31 beads. So you just count 31 beads. And put a stop marker. So we follow the same pattern of 1 2 1 2. So we start with a single bead with a single crochet, and then 2 bead and 1 bead and 2. Okay, so I'll speed up and meet you at the end of this round. Okay, so now we're at the end of the last 3 beads, and so I follow 2 beads and always end with a single bead. Attach back to the base ring. So now we finished the 4th round. And for the last 3 rounds, we just follow the same pattern as displayed with 19, 17, and 15 crochet. So I'll meet you at the end of the last round. So now we are at the end of the last round of the last 3 beads. So 2 and 1 is the ending. And now we attach back to the base ring. You can adjust the strand so they're closer to each other. So you can see there's still half of the base ring that is not covered with thread. So we just keep doing single crochet until all part of the ring is covered without thread. So now we have covered all part of the ring with the metallic thread. And we can cut the thread. So adjust the bead part so it has a very cute shape and at the bottom part of the base ring, just like this. And we make a knot with the 2 threads left. And cut the rest. Okay, now we are almost finished. And then you can convert this into a pierced one with a pearl. Over here I'm using a clip-on accessory. So first I'm going to use the glue to attach this clip-on onto the body, and then add the pearl on top of it. I'm using a light sensitive UV gel. And the pearl I'm using is about 10 mm in diameter. I prefer to use the UV sensitive gel, as you can make adjustment before it got lightened on, so have room to make some tiny changes. And it is also very strong once it got fully photonized. And here we got this nice, very elegant yet stunning bead crochet earring. And you can use the same pattern but with different beads. And here I'm using the 3 milliliters of bicons, and this is with a different color of the metallic thread. And I also like this purple color a lot and can't wait to convert into an earring. Hope you enjoyed the video and let me know what other DIY project you would like to see. Bye. Hope you liked the video and let me know what other DIY project you would like to see. Bye bye. Bye bye.